Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, and every week on this channel we produce videos about tech. So, since the pandemic is starting to be under control, many people are considering working off those pandemic pounds. So, in this video, we're going to review the OMaggie fingerprint padlock. Let's check it out.
Get strong.
So the main features are fingerprint unlocking, mobile app unlocking, USB charging, remote key sharing, 15 different fingerprints, Android and iOS compatible, IP65 weatherproof, 1 hour charge time, and about 30 days of use time before you have to recharge it. So what comes inside the box? Inside the box you have your instructions, a thank you card, the fingerprint lock itself, one USB-C mini charge cable, and 2 QR codes. Okay, so let's talk about the build quality. The body is made out of aluminum alloy. The clip itself is made out of stainless steel. On the back you have your logo, and on the bottom you have your slot to put your USB mini charging cable in to charge the phone. And on the front you have your fingerprint scanner, and this is what you use to unlock it with. So I can say that the build quality is pretty good. It seems to be well built. It's not that heavy. It seems like a regular lock. After you have successfully downloaded and installed the app, you'll come up with this screen. Now you want to bind it to your phone. So in order to bind it to the phone, the thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to push your plus sign, and then it's going to tell you to press this to activate it, and then you hit confirm. Now that's going to go through and check out your Bluetooth settings. Next thing you want to do is you want to take and scan the QR code for the phone. Once you scan the QR code, then it's going to come up and give you the option to bind it, and you just tap this to bind it. Now it's binded. Now wait to see for it to, and the lock popped open, so now you know that it is connected. Now on this particular page you'll see that you got some information that you can get. It'll tell you the batteries percentage. This is where you do your fingerprint, or if you have recorded various openings on here, usage, it'll tell you that. Now say if you wanted to add a finger. Now this is how you add a fingerprint to it. You tap on the fingerprint, and then you tap fingerprint settings, and then it's going to ask you to put a name. So I'll call this thumbs. Hit save. Now what it's going to want you to do is it's going to want you to press on this again to wake it, and hit confirm. Now you put your finger on it, you keep pressing down until it clears, hit confirm, and now your fingerprint is saved. You notice It says thumbs there. So the simple operation is very simple. To unlock it, and it unlocks. Or you can use your phone. It takes a little bit longer, but you still have to touch it. Then it unlocks. So my final thoughts. This fingerprint lock is very portable and well built. And it's great for gym use or for securing your luggage or some simple secure use. The ability to use your phone to unlock it is okay, but if you have to touch the lock to activate it anyway, it seems like you could just use your fingerprint instead. But it's very easy to set up and use. The only negative thing that I can say about this fingerprint lock is that it's missing a physical key, just in case the battery runs out. Other than that, I would certainly recommend it. You can get it from Amazon for about $32. A link will be in the description below. So, if you found value in this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to see my next video. I'm trying to reach my 1,000 subscribers, so please help me out and subscribe and share this video with others as well, and encourage them to subscribe. Anyone who you know that loves tech. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. But remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
Be strong.